Come a long way since I got this tape. This was my very first tape. Without this tape, I couldn't do what I do. The boots or the shoes can look good all day long, but if it doesn't fit, it doesn't matter. It's gotta start with this tape. So now I'll take you over to our fitting chair where it all begins. I'll have our clients take a seat in the chair. So based off of these measurements, now we can choose your silhouette. That's where the fun really begins. Here you have a classic 12-inch Western style, a few different zip styles, different types of stitch patterns or cording patterns. We then get into choosing the materials, choosing the colors. This python here is actually hand painted with 18 karat gold. This gator here is almost 12 feet long. These are all different kinds of suede. So this is the one I'm wearing today. It's just gaining character the more you wear it. So all of that starts with the tape.